Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to write a professional job application letter for a train conductor position. If you are applying for a railway job and want to make a strong first impression, this narration will guide you step by step, using a full sample letter and detailed explanations so you understand exactly what to write. You see, a job application letter is a formal document written by someone applying for a job. It introduces the applicant to the employer, states the position being applied for, and highlights relevant qualifications, experience, and personal strengths. A good application letter helps an employer quickly see why you are a suitable candidate and increases your chances of being invited for an interview. For railway positions like train conductor, a solid letter demonstrates professionalism, reliability, and understanding of operational and safety responsibilities. Now, let's go through the sample letter step by step. The letter begins with the applicant's personal details placed at the top left corner. Andrew Coleman, 7649 Lakeside Crossing, Milwaukee, WAL 53215. Email, andrew.coleman@email.com. Phone, 414-692-5741. This section includes all the key contact information employers need. It shows your full name, home address, email, and phone number. It is important to make sure this information is correct and professional, because if the employer cannot reach you easily, you may miss opportunities for interviews. Always double-check for spelling errors or outdated contact details before finalizing your letter. Next, the letter includes the date. Date, May 15, 2026. Including the date is a standard business practice. It provides a clear record of when the letter was written and helps employers file and track applications accurately. Leaving it out may make the letter feel incomplete or less formal. After the date, the employer's information is written. In this sample, we have Hiring Manager, Midwest Rail Transport, 2210 Railway Operations Drive, Madison, Wisconsin, 53704. This part shows that the letter is directed to a specific company or person. If you know the hiring manager's name, you should use it. But if not, addressing the letter to Hiring Manager is completely acceptable. Listing the company name and address also shows that this is a targeted application, not a generic one sent to multiple employers without personalization. Next, the subject line is included. Subject: Application for train conductor position. The subject line makes the purpose of the letter instantly clear. Employers may receive many letters, so a subject line helps them quickly identify the position you are applying for. This is especially helpful in large organizations or transportation companies that may have multiple vacancies open at the same time. Now we come to the salutation, which is the greeting of the letter. Dear Hiring Manager. The salutation is a simple but important detail. It sets a professional tone and shows respect. If you know the name of the person reading the letter, you can use it here. If not, the neutral greeting Dear Hiring Manager is an appropriate and professional choice. Now let's move on to the first main paragraph of the letter. I am writing to apply for the train conductor position at Midwest Rail Transport. With over 4 years of experience in railway operations, passenger assistance, and safety monitoring, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your transportation services. This paragraph serves as the introduction. It clearly states the position being applied for, which removes any confusion for the employer. The applicant then briefly introduces their experience, 4 years in railway operations, highlighting areas like passenger assistance and safety monitoring. These details show the employer that the applicant understands the key responsibilities of the role. It also shows confidence, which is important in railway positions where decision-making, reliability, and professionalism are essential. When writing your own letter, always begin with a strong introduction that clearly states the job title and gives a quick overview of your relevant experience. Next, we move to the second main paragraph. In my current role at Great Lakes Express Rail in Milwaukee, I assist with train movement coordination, enforce safety regulations, verify schedules, and provide customer support throughout the journey. I am known for staying calm under pressure, communicating clearly with the crew, and ensuring that all operational procedures are followed. This paragraph gives specific details about the applicant's current duties. Mentioning responsibilities like train movement coordination and safety enforcement proves real industry experience. Verifying schedules and assisting passengers shows the applicant understands both operational and customer-focused aspects of the job. The paragraph also highlights personal qualities like clear communication and staying calm under pressure, which are extremely important in railway operations. Conductors often face unexpected situations, so employers want to know that candidates can remain professional and collected. When writing your own letter, be sure to include specific tasks you perform and qualities you are recognized for. This helps employers clearly visualize your value. Now let's move on to the third main paragraph. I hold up-to-date rail safety certifications and have completed additional training in emergency handling, signaling procedures, and regulatory compliance. I take pride in reliability, punctuality, and delivering professional service that keeps passengers safe and satisfied. This section focuses on qualifications and personal strengths. Mentioning formal certifications and training demonstrates that the applicant meets industry standards and is committed to safety and compliance. Emergency handling and signaling procedures are critical skills in the railway industry, so highlighting them reassures the employer. The paragraph also mentions qualities like reliability and punctuality. For a train conductor, these traits are essential because the entire rail operation depends on precise timing and consistent performance. When writing your own letter, always highlight certifications, licenses, or specialized training you possess. These help set you apart from other applicants. Next, we move to the final main paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my experience aligns with the goals of Midwest Rail Transport. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This paragraph politely encourages further communication. It is important to express interest in moving forward without sounding demanding. Offering both phone and email contact options makes it easy for the employer to choose the communication method that works best for them. This paragraph is also a way of showing confidence and readiness to take the next step. Next is the formal closing. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team. This sentence ends the letter in a polite and appreciative tone. Expressing thanks shows professionalism and respect. Confirming interest in joining the organization leaves a positive final impression. The letter closes with a standard signature block. Sincerely, signature, Andrew Coleman. Sincerely is one of the most widely accepted closings in business writing. If printed, the applicant would sign their name above the typed version. For online submission, typing the name is perfectly acceptable. Now, before we end this lesson, let's share a final set of reminders and tips for writing a strong train conductor job application letter. Always present your information in a clear, organized way. Use professional language that is polite, confident, and easy for employers to understand. Make sure your main paragraphs include both specific job responsibilities and personal traits that make you a valuable candidate. Employers in railway operations prioritize safety, reliability, communication, and composure under pressure, so make sure your letter reflects those qualities. Finally, always proofread your letter carefully. A clean and error-free application shows attention to detail, which is essential in railway work. With strong formatting, meaningful content, and a professional tone, your letter will stand out and increase your chances of being called for an interview.